Lighting okay.
Can you shut that पीछे का? It's too much. Yeah. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Almost Paravaric after a really long break. But today we're here celebrating a very special day. It's my parents' 30th anniversary.
The journey begins.
Yeah, the
again.
journey begins. So happy anniversary, guys.
Thank you.
So instead of a long episode, we're going to do like a quick rapid fire. And the first question that I want to ask y'all is, if you had to sum up the last 30 years of your life in one word or three words, what would it be?
So with me, it would be like love, understanding, honesty.
And you?
It is togetherness, it's affection, and it's understanding, I guess.
Okay.
More of.
Okay. Moving on. What's the funniest argument that you've ever had?
The
Funniest, most random, very stupid.
Yeah, the funniest argument since day one till today is like, you give me time, you be with me all the time. Which is really funny because it's practically it's not right. He has to go to work. He has to do many things. He has
After
lots of
giving so
work.
much time, she's asking time. That's funny, yes.
Okay.
Yes, that is funny argument all the time.
And for me, it is traffic. When I'm
Oh,
driving,
yes. That is an argument even I am a part of.
when I'm driving, it is always I am on that fault.
Yeah, I don't like
You
to be a
drive in
part of
Bombay,
it.
drive in highway, drive in Thane. I'm at
Yes,
fault.
because I am the teacher of driving.
Don't do this. Don't scare the drivers, guys.
Yeah.
Don't scare the drivers.
Yes.
Okay, next. What is your overrated opinion about marriage? Like, what is something about marriage that you think is overrated?
Or I feel it is the ties are made in heavens. That's overrated. Yeah, where is heaven?
Okay, explain yourself quickly.
Marriage, you have to create heaven here. Otherwise, it becomes hell. So, the ties are made by God. all these things.
Jodi par-
Rab ne bana di jodi.
I think they are overrating. Indian overrating. If you think globally, marriage is a concept which ties to people together for a longer time. Many of the things are happening through the experience and you live together. Many of the things comes as you grow together. But it is not that something which is born, जैसे मैं पैदा हुई वो तो कोई वो पैदा हुआ हो गया प्रिंस ऐसा all these things. I feel it is working.
What is your opinion?
Nee.
What is your overrated opinion?
No,
Don't agree. Give another opinion.
It is something.
overrated is like
It's something.
like the concept of pati parmeshwar hota hai, and I began with it. But he explained me कि no, you are human being, I am human being, and we should stay in equality.
I like expecting everything from pati. Like her, my sasu used to always say, जो भी करना है पति के साथ, जो भी करना है पति के साथ. That is overrating.
Whatever do after marriage.
Yeah, so for us it was like कि pati parmeshwar hota hai. But yeah, it was very nice. A broad-minded person in my life who explained me कि man and woman both are equal. They're standing in the equal platform and must be respected.
Correct. Okay, now another. What is your one advice that you would want to give to couples or people who are married now or just people who are in long-term relationships? What is one underrated advice? Not generic advice. Some different, like nice advice for people. Or me.
For they are already staying together.
Whatever, like.
Or they wanted to be together.
No, like any
Advice can be
couple.
for the people who are already staying together. No advice.
No advice?
They are already staying. No.
No, like
Already
how do you
manipulating.
make, how do you...
I can definitely give. See, normally what happens with a woman is like she gets very attached to a man emotionally because the men are not that emotional. But so what
No, I don't agree with this.
Yeah, even I don't agree with it. But you can continue.
Men do not show
I
their
just want
Yeah,
to say
they're
as
bad
one
at
advice-
expressing
Nee,
emotions.
The thing I really
Somehow.
meant to say कि let a wife become a friend and not a mother. कि ओ मेरा बाला करके no, he has his own life, he has his own freedom. So if we
And
try
not a
to
teacher also.
yeah, not a teacher also.
I'm
Yes,
not a
I do
consultant
accept whatever he says because
Not a
yeah, that's the
consultant
way
also.
I have learned thing in my life. But yes, कि I really want be companions, be friends, but not a mother. उसको ऑलरेडी मदर है.
हाँ, don't mother
वाइफ
them.
को
Be a
मदर बनने की
friend.
जरूरत नहीं. खाना खाया क्या, पहुंचे क्या. I used to do a lot. Then he stopped me. He said, "Don't do this all."
be a friend, be a companion. Don't try to mother or father your partner.
Yes.
Okay. What has changed about your relationship in the last 30 years, like compared to year 1 and year 30?
I was very emotional. I was very sensitive. I am still, but definitely I can. Means it would sound like every credit I'm trying to give Virendra, but yeah, he explained me many things in my life, and in fact, every pages he tried to write it in a very better way and made me a practical person. Made me understand what a
So
woman's
now
freedom
you
is.
have emotions and practicality.
Both together, and I also believe in a lot of freedom now, a self love now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Self
You?
love and respecting each other's space.
Yes.
I think that is more important.
Yes.
If you don't respect each other's space and if you don't give space, if you try to occupy even a personal space,
Yeah.
every person is an individual person. So
Right.
don't try to occupy that space,
Correct.
which is reserved for himself only.
Now, one last and final controversial-ish question. What is your opinion on the institution of marriage? Should people get married? Question of the century.
Though we
Now
have
that you have experienced 30 years, do you think people should get married?
See, if, to be very honest, like our marriage is very successful. It doesn't mean that we have not come up with any, ups and downs, or we are. It's not that we have not conflicted or we are not argued with each other. But that understanding is very important in each partners. कि मतलब मैं ये समझती हूँ कि कभी जैसे एक शिप है ना, तो उसका एक ही कैप्टन होता है, तो वो शिप अच्छी तरह से चलती है, तो किसी को लीड करना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट डजंट मीन दैट योर ईगो शुड बी हर्टेड और you should be like feeling very low. नहीं, let it go. And if he's in a मतलब कभी कभी कैप्टन भी थोड़ा गलती कर दे तो बता तो सकते ही है. If your captain is a broad minded person, he will understand. लेकिन that's what I feel that as an institution of marriage कि it is a successful if you have understanding, if you mold with each other and respect each other's feeling, then it is good enough to get married. But nowadays, like live-in relationships and all that, so I don't believe in that because I don't understand. Live-in रहने के बाद भी 10 years के बाद separate हो ही सकते हैं.
But that is there with marriage also, na?
Yeah, but marriage is makes little bit critical, legally critical. But it's an individual choice. है.
Yeah, I also feel.
शादी करना है नहीं करना है, it's an institution which wasn't created with a certain aspect. People are changing now. They are changing their understanding, their level of interest. They understand. पहले मैचअप वैचअप देखते नहीं थे, क्या है चलो कर लिया शादी लेके आए ये वो. Now people are thinking about matching the blood count also, blood groups also, not blood count, blood group also, and so many things they are trying to match, genetical matching also they are doing. So after all these matches, if you feel like if everything matches and if you go well, you can try. And जैसे हमारे जमाने में भी कहते थे कि मैरिज ऐसा लड्डू है, तो खाए हुए भी पछता है, ना खाए हुए भी पछता है, तो खा के पछताओ, and you can separate out if you don't gel with. That's the strategy as of now, I guess.
Alright.
But if you go on good, otherwise okay. But no need to continue with the person who are like it should not become hell to your life.
जैसे अभी इंडिया का मैच है उसमें 11 प्लेयर्स है, लेकिन अगर उन्होंने साथ में खेला तो मैच तो जीतेंगे. ऐसे ही हस्बैंड वाइफ का एक पार्टनरशिप है, उसमें एक फैमिली यूनिट आती है. इफ एक साथ खेलेंगे एक टीम बनके, देन यू आर गोइंग टू विन द मैच.
Okay. Play like a team. What was I going to ask? I forgot. Tell me one thing you like and hate about each other, and then we'll end this podcast.
I like everything about him, but except one, he's not expressive at all.
Okay.
So what should I say? I like her management power,
Okay.
like arranging things in a proper manner. But she is too much expressive. That I don't like.
This is what happens when you get
She
married.
expresses
Two
for her
pole opposite people
nail is
married.
getting pain and her hair is also getting pain. That much expression.
All right, guys. So that was the 30th anniversary edition quick rapid fire round. Any final thoughts?
Do marry.
Do marry.
Do or do not enjoy your life.
Enjoy your life, live every moment, and we'll make sure to keep making more of these.
You can marry with nature, you can marry with God, you can marry with so many things. You can marry with your likings. So, whatever.
आजकल
Yeah, but for girls, I would definitely say कि don't wait कि अभी मैं 27 हो गई, 29 हो गई, लोग क्या कहेंगे, मेरी शादी होनी चाहिए. अरे नहीं, I'm telling to all the girls, even if you're 29, 30 or 37, and if you're alone, just enjoy your life.
get on a flight and go wherever the hell you want.
Yes.
All right. So thank you for watching. We hope you like this video, and we'll see you in another video very soon. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.